Hello, today we're going to change the cup holder pad on a 2003 Ford F150. A while ago I epoxied it back together, worked temporarily, now I got a new part. I'm using this aftermarket part. I don't know if you can see it, the GoPro doesn't. Dash panel removal tool, any kind. And just get up under here and there's tabs. And then once you find the tab, you kind of push them in and lift up. I broke the tabs because they're just old and made of plastic. Go around and get them off around the whole edge. Go all the way around the edges. And just push inward and lift up. Doesn't matter if you break them because you're not going to reuse it unless you're just trying to fix it. But I've already fixed it once. So there's the old one. And here's the new one. So, the old cup holder. It's a dark one. This one's lighter. Don't really care about the color. So you can see on the bottom, look on the bottom, these tabs and the way they're shaped. So if you're taking off the old one, you just want to know how to take off the old one. That's kind of how they're, you'll just push them in and kind of lift up. They go around. They'll just line back up and it'll just snap back on. Kind of lean it back, and just push it down. Put the back in first, lean it back and push it down. Tried to film it, but use both hands. And I put my hand under here to be able to snap it together. So you can see the gap. The new one's a hard plastic versus the old one's a vinyl. It's hard, but it's not that soft. This is just straight hard plastic. This has a softer feel. It's actually, for a working truck, probably a little bit more durable. Not the exact same color. It's in the sunlight, kind of in the shadow, but it works. That's all that matters. Functionality. This truck's old, 20 years old, so keeping it running, keeping it looking decent. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.